Hey everyone, I am making this video so that you can understand how to debate on a topic. The topic here for debate is Western culture influencing our Indian tradition. जैसे कि आप सारे बच्चों को अभी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है डिबेट देने में, कैसे उसको बोलना है, आप उसको समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं जो आपको डिबेट दी गई है, तो आई एम हेयर to help you out so that you can understand it well. Culture and traditions are most significant in a country like India, which has always been cherishing its rich culture and heritage and is quite well known for it worldwide. But all these things are just on paper and are slowly losing their shield. Why? Good morning to all and all. Today, I, Rahul of class 8, is going to speak for the motion that yes, Western culture has done more harms than good to our culture. India is known for its field work. We, the youth of India, are the representatives of India in a true sense of the word. We are the sole cherisher of the India's pride and its culture, which actually lies in its heritage, its diversity, and its uniqueness. In such a scenario, where the point of a best cultured country like India is facing a problem of losing its culture, are we the youth, the Indian youth, not actually responsible for this? Are we not putting our own self image, our self respect, our mother, India's pride on stake by doing so? Just think about it, friends. There is no problem as such when we follow Western culture to some extent. But there is a problem when we are forgetting our own culture to a great extent. Why did we do so? 21st century doesn't mean that you must be forgetting the motherland in following, or in short, adopting the Western lifestyle in totality. Every culture has its own pros and cons. We individuals should be strong enough to change good and throw our back, but what are we doing now? It's a shame to see that we Indian youth doesn't have a bit of importance for India's pride and its culture, its heritage, and are easily influenced by the Western culture. Right from our clothing till the music, the films, our attitude, our lifestyle, or in short, every aspect of our life is totally changed. Change doesn't happen on its own. It is built to bring about the changes. But by this change, our mother has lost its shield, her beauty, her place, her uniqueness in the world. And we, the Indian youth, the pride of India, are solely responsible for that. Friends, it's a high time now, and we must think about it now or never. As it is well said that a stitch in time saves nine. Thank you. आपको इस स्पीच को सुनना है अच्छे से. अभी आप इसको पढ़ भी सकते हैं. देन आपको इसको रिपीट करना है. 2 to 3 टाइम्स मिरर के सामने बोलना है. हर एक वर्ड को अच्छे से प्रोनाउंस करना है और इससे आपको हेल्प होगी बोलने में. देन यू कैन अटर इट एंड यू कैन टेल मी, you can narrate in front of me so that I can help you in improving it. Thank you. Have a nice day.